I recently uploaded a YouTube video that gave me 547 impressions but with no views. At first, I thought YouTube wasn't pushing my content, but when I checked my analytics, I discovered the real problem. If your videos are getting impressions but with no views, then this video may actually explain what's happening. Many small creators believe the biggest problem is getting impressions, but that's not always true. The problem is that YouTube is already showing your videos to people, but that doesn't mean they watch your videos. The problem is that viewers are not clicking. Have you asked yourself, what are impressions? An impression simply means that YouTube showed your thumbnail to someone, but that doesn't mean that they watch your videos. It means that YouTube has already given your content an opportunity. For example, just like this screen recording showing on my screen here, this shows the last video I uploaded. YouTube gave me 547 impressions already. It means that YouTube has already pushed my video to people. People have already clicked my videos, they have seen my content, they have clicked on it, but they didn't really stay to watch my videos to that long because my thumbnail and my title doesn't have that strong curiosity needed as a small creator. Ask yourself, this particular video you are about to upload, you are about to post, will people click it? Your audience, are they going to click and watch this video? Starting from your thumbnail and your title. The major problem is nothing but your content, but the major problem comes from your thumbnail and your title that doesn't have strong curiosity for your videos. Now I'll explain to you why impressions are not views. There are three major common reasons why impressions are not views. Number one is weak thumbnail. As you can see with these two thumbnails showing on my screen. One, this particular one has a weak curiosity, while this one has a strong curiosity. You can spot the two difference in these two particular thumbnails. If I use this one on my video, it will give me a weak curiosity that will generate a small click-through rate to this my video. But if I use this particular one that has a strong curiosity, it will give me a strong click-through rate, a maximum strong click-through rate for this my particular video. These are the major common reasons. Then the second common reason is nothing but a weak title. So many small creators are already making this mistake, using a weak title on their videos that will not generate a maximum click-through rate to their videos. So many small creators are already making this mistake. Before you upload your video, understand the major difference of using weak title on your videos and using a strong title on your videos. As a small creator, always make use of strong title that will generate a maximum click-through rate and audience retention to your video. And number three common mistake that I will explain, which shows why impressions are not views, is nothing but no clear benefit. Yes. Ask yourself before you post that your videos, will your audience actually stay or click watching your videos to the very end? If you cannot answer this question in just 2 seconds, or if your audience cannot answer this question, then understand your audience. They will keep seeing your video, but they will not stay to watch your videos. They will keep scrolling your videos. Then this is just common mistake that I made, like my own very mistake that I discovered I was making on my videos, that I decided to create these videos and teach small creators the very common mistake we are all making. Now, when I looked at my analytics, I realized my click-through rate was only giving me 2.4% click-through rate, which is very, very poor. That means most people who viewed my video didn't stay to watch my video, like they didn't click my video or even watched it to the very end. The problem wasn't YouTube. The problem was just my own packaging, the way I package my video, starting from thumbnail, title and editing. Then these are the major procedures and solutions of how to fix these problems to get the maximum click-through rate as a small creator on your video. Number one is your thumbnail. Use fewer words on your thumbnails. Go back and check any top advanced content creator you know here on YouTube and check their thumbnails. You will definitely spot that their thumbnails are just having fewer words on their thumbnails. Do not make your thumbnail to have a lot of words, a lot of arrows, a lot of icons on your thumbnail. This will already make your thumbnail to have a poor click-through rate. Then you start seeing 2.4% true click rate, 5.0 click through rate, or even 1.0 click through rate on your videos, which is very, very poor as a small content creator you are. Then the next solution is focus on one particular problem. So many small creators are explaining different problems on a particular video. You are actually confusing your audience. You are distracting your audience in watching your videos or sticking to your videos from the very beginning to the end. You have to stick on one particular problem, explain one particular problem, and focus on just major one content. Do not jam pack different niches on your channel. This will distract YouTube analytics and also distract your audience from your videos. Another solution is nothing but create curiosity thumbnails and titles. I've mentioned this before and I'm mentioning it again. Always create a strong curiosity thumbnails and titles. Try this on your video. Just like example, you can use how to increase watch hours on your videos. Rather, you can now use viewers leave, why viewers leave after 30 seconds. This will spot the weak thumbnails and the strong titles. Okay, you can try, instead of you using make YouTube recommend your videos to the audience, you can rather use why YouTube recommend your videos to the wrong audience. You can spot the two difference, the weak title and the strong title. Try this that I've mentioned from the very beginning to the end. Try all this process on your video. Weak thumbnails, strong thumbnails, weak titles, strong titles on your videos, and you will definitely see the positive changes. Then if you feel that this video is actually made for you and you stick from the very beginning to the video and to the end of this my video, please do the right thing. Like, comment, put the notification bell on, and do not forget to subscribe on my channel. And see you in my next video. Thanks.